Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to create a mirrored cut effect in Photoshop. First, do selection by using the lasso tool. Once the selection is ready, go to the select and choose inverse. Now go to layer setting and select solid color adjustment and choose white as your base. Make a copy of those layers. Select the first one. Go to the filter menu, pixelate crystallize. Set the cell size around 9098 to create a nice abstract effect. After that, again, go back to filter gallery. Choose brush stroke spatter. Set the stroke length to about 20 and the radius to 24. This will give your image a painted artistic look. Next, select your background and make a copy of it. Drag and drop this background copy on top of all the layers. Now, create a clipping mask to blend it with the subject. Go to layer setting, select hue saturation. Lower the saturation to -100. Now you see at magic button at bottom, press it, and your mirrored cut effect is ready.